pray you for greatness. You are the giver of all goodness, the source of all wisdom and knowledge. You are worthy of our worship and praise.
Amen. Before taking classes, kindly arrange your chairs properly and pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs. You will now take your seats. Now I'm going to take your attendance. Curtis Jennifer.
Yes, ma'am.
Lihano Disket.
Present, ma'am.
Muragan Gilbert.
Present, ma'am.
Kamawan Kim.
Present, ma'am.
Mira Jumar.
Present.
O Istudillo Lidicit.
Present, ma'am.
So, I have a classroom rules that we must follow. Avoid unnecessary noise. Listen carefully to the teacher. Participate actively in our class discussion and activities. Before we proceed to our next topic, let us have first a short review what is as our previous lesson. Lesson class. Yes, Dragon, tell us what our previous topic was.
Our previous topic was also about review of speech.
Very good. Are there any questions or clarification about our previous topic? What's on your mind is all about topic today. Okay, Baba, you have an idea for our topic today?
I think our topic, today is about denotation and connotation.
Okay, thank you. Before we proceed our topic, at the end of the list, define connotation and denotation. Give examples on connotation and denotation and appreciation of the importance of connotation and denotation.
Start.
What comes into your mind when you hear the word light? Okay, Maragon, can they answer it?
From the word life, then life.
Okay, thank you. And how about the word dark? Can we skip?
As long. Ano, ang the word dark, sadness.
Okay, thank you. To learn the different meanings of content-specific words, denotation and connotation. Who read about denotation?
Ma'am.
Mr. Mawan.
Denotation is the literal meaning of dictionary definition of a word or phrase.
How about the connotation, Sir Gumar?
Connotations refers to the subjective, cultural, or emotional meaning that goes along with the literal definition.
Did you understand our lesson for today, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I'm going to group you into two groups. Each group will be given denotation and connotation chart. Complete the chart by placing the column. Group 1 and group 2. Skip. I give you 10 minutes to answer.
Wait.
Are you done, class?
Not yet, ma'am.
Download ba, ma'am?
Class, last 3 minutes. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain number 1?
Here's my idea. Now, kaning word is like yung connotation, serpent, ang connotation at evil. And number 2, ang blue. mutation niya, color, and mutation sad, and carrying home, and mutation niya house, and mutation niya state.
How about the book two?
Okay, this is the answer of group 2. Word snake. The limitation of snake is serpent and connotation is devil. The second, the word blow and denotation niya kay color then sa connotation niya kay sad. Then the last, home. Denotation of home is house and the connotation is self. And that's all.
Thank you.
Denotations refers to the subjective, cultural, or emotional meaning that goes along with the literal definition.
Did you understand our lesson for today, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, what is denotation and connotation, Mr. Jennifer?
So denotation, ma'am, is the literal meaning or the dictionary meaning, while the connotation is the subjective, cultural, or the emotional meaning that goes along with the literal definition. It just means that connotation is the meaning beyond that word.
Thank you, class. Okay, class, please one more sheet of paper. Kindly answer this short quiz. Identify the meaning of words. Okay, class, please one more sheet of paper. Kindly answer this short quiz. Identify the meaning of words. Write D if the underlined word is denotation, and C if it is denotation. Write your answer on the blank. Okay, class, please start for answer. Okay, class, any clarification of this topic today?
No, ma'am.
ma'am,
Are you done, class?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Pass it and on your no. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Pass your paper forward. Class dismissed.